Hello everyone, this is Rutrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share a masala prawn quinoa recipe with you all guys. It is very simple, it is very easy to make and needs some simple ingredients. If you are into gluten-free diet or if you simply want to start a healthy lifestyle, then this recipe is perfectly for you. It is so easy to make that it can be prepared under 10 minutes only if you have some pre-cooked quinoa. Quinoa seeds are rich in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and dietary minerals, and is totally gluten free because of the high concentration of protein. Raw uncooked quinoa is 13% water, 64% carbohydrates, 14% protein, and 6% fat. After cooking, which is the typical preparation for eating the seeds, quinoa is 72% water, 21% carbohydrates, 4% protein, and 2% fat only. In a 100-gram cooked quinoa provides 120 kilocalorie and is a rich source of manganese and phosphorus and a moderate source of dietary fiber, folate, and the dietary minerals iron, zinc, and magnesium. So altogether, quinoa is a great food for your diet. So let's get started. So here I have taken 1 cup of cooked quinoa. It is pre-cooked. You can pre-cook it and store it for a couple of days in refrigerator in a glass airtight container. And here is 100 grams of prawn. Then for masalas, I have taken 1 string of fresh curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 3 shallots, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And we will cook this preparation in mustard oil. So I am not using any refined oil in this. So these are the ingredients which we need for this. Firstly, we will add half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder into the prawns and half a teaspoon of salt, and we will mix all together and we'll keep it for 1 to 2 minutes aside. Then we will take a karai and we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and we will add the prawns and we will fry it lightly. We will firstly stir it constantly so that it won't burn. Now we will cover it up for 1 minute, and after 1 minute we will open it up and we will stir again. And now I am adding the grated ginger to the prawns, and then we will add the masalas. Firstly, I'm adding this Kashmiri chili powder, then the black pepper powder, and we will stir it again. Stir it constantly and keep your eyes on it so that it won't burn and stick to the bottom of the pan. Now we will add the chopped shallots and we'll give a mix again. Now we will add our quinoa and we will stir thoroughly, and we will cover it up for another 2 minutes so that all the flavors will infuse properly in the quinoa. And after 2 minutes we will open it up and add these curry leaves and stir and mix it again. We will cover it up again for another 30 seconds, and it's almost done and is ready to serve. This is so healthy and so filling and very easy to prepare if you have all those ingredients in your hand. So yeah, this is all about today's recipe and today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you want to see this kind of videos more often, then do let me know in the comments below. So yeah, this is all about today's video. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye.